Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about an exciting new addition to Toronto's skyline, the One. It's the tallest building in Toronto after the CN Tower, and it's making a huge impact on the city's skyline. This incredible building is located in the heart of Toronto, and it has become a symbol of the city's growth and development. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about the One, including its design, purpose, and why it's such an important part of Toronto's future. So, what is the One? The One is a skyscraper that stands at a height of 338 meters, about 110 feet. This makes it the tallest building in Toronto after the CN Tower, which is the world-famous landmark standing at 553 meters, 1815 feet. While the One may not be as tall as the CN Tower, it is still incredibly impressive. The One is located at 1 Bloor Street West, right in the middle of Toronto's downtown. This area is already home to many tall buildings. But the One stands out due to its height, unique design, and the fact that it's the tallest building in the city that isn't a part of the CN Tower. The building is a mixed-use development, which means it has different purposes all in one building. It features luxury condominiums, office spaces, retail stores, and even a few restaurants. The goal of the One is to provide both residential and commercial spaces that help make the area more vibrant and connected. The history and construction of the One. The idea for the One first came to life in the early 2010s when developers realized that Toronto needed more space to meet the demands of a growing population. As the city became more popular, especially with international businesses and tourists, the need for tall buildings increased. In 2015, construction began on the One, with developers aiming to make it a world-class building that would reflect Toronto's importance on the global stage. The building was designed by a famous architect named Norman Foster, who is known for creating impressive structures all around the world. His design for the One is sleek and modern, with a glass exterior that reflects the sky and the city around it. The construction process took several years, and building something as tall and complicated as the One is no easy task. The developers had to make sure the foundation was strong enough to support the massive height of the building. Workers had to carefully build each floor, making sure everything was perfectly aligned. The design of the One. One of the most exciting things about the One is its design. When you look at the building, you'll notice that it's not just another tall box-like skyscraper. Instead, it has a unique tapered shape. This means that the building is wider at the bottom and gradually becomes narrower as it rises, which gives it a modern and sleek look. The glass walls of the building reflect the sky, making it blend into its surroundings. The exterior of the One is made from glass and steel, and the glass walls are designed to let natural light into the building, making it energy efficient. The use of glass also gives the building a futuristic look, which matches Toronto's reputation as a city that embraces innovation and modern design. But it's not just about looks. The building's design also focuses on making it a functional space. The interior of the One includes both luxurious residential units and high-end office spaces. This mix of spaces helps create a vibrant environment where people can live, work, and play all in the same place. What's inside the One? So, what exactly is inside the One? Let's break it down. Residential units. The One is home to some of the most luxurious condominiums in Toronto. These are high-end apartments with stunning views of the city. The residents can enjoy living in one of the tallest buildings in Toronto, with easy access to everything downtown has to offer, including shopping, dining and entertainment, offices. In addition to residential spaces, the One also has office spaces. These are designed for businesses and companies that want to work in a modern, high-rise building with incredible views. Having offices in the One makes it a great place for companies to set up shop, with easy access to other businesses, transportation, and services. Retail and restaurants. The One isn't just about living and working. It also has a mix of retail stores and restaurants. Whether you're looking to grab a coffee or go shopping for designer clothes, The One has a lot to offer. This makes the building an important destination for both locals and tourists. Public spaces. The One also includes public spaces that help make the area more accessible and welcoming. These spaces are designed to connect the building with the surrounding community, creating a sense of openness and connection. Why is the One so important to Toronto? The One is not just an impressive building because of its height. It's important to Toronto for many reasons. A symbol of growth. The One is a symbol of Toronto's growth as a city. As Toronto continues to grow in both population and importance, new buildings like the One are helping to shape the city's future. It shows that Toronto is keeping up with other major cities around the world, like New York, London, and Hong Kong. Attracting investment. The One also plays a role in attracting investment to Toronto. When international businesses see such a high-quality building in the heart of the city, they may be more likely to invest in the area. This could lead to more jobs, more development, and more opportunities for the people who live and work in Toronto. Modernizing the skyline before the One was built. Toronto's skyline was filled with older buildings. While many of these buildings are still iconic, the One brings a fresh, modern look to the city. It's a reminder that Toronto is evolving, and its skyline is becoming more exciting and futuristic. Helping with housing demand. Toronto is a city that's been facing a housing shortage. By building the One, developers are able to add more luxury residential units to the city, which helps meet the demand for housing. While the condos in the One are high-end, they show that there is a demand for more residential buildings in the downtown core. The future of the One. So, what's next for the One? As it stands, the One has already made a big impact on Toronto. But in the future, it will continue to be a central part of the city's skyline. As more people move to Toronto, the demand for buildings like the One will only increase. It's likely that we'll see more tall, mixed-use buildings in the future, inspired by the success of the One. As the One becomes more established, it may also attract more attention from around the world. Tourists, business people, and investors will likely continue to visit Toronto, drawn by the city's modern architecture and vibrant atmosphere. Fun facts about the One. A global design. The design of the One was created by renowned architect Norman Foster, who has designed famous buildings around the world, including the Hearst Tower in New York and the London City Hall. Luxury living. The residential units in the One are some of the most luxurious in Toronto. Some of the condos have private terraces, high-end finishes, and incredible views of the city. Construction challenges. Building the One was no easy feat. The construction team had to deal with challenges like the city's busy downtown area, the need for special foundations to support the height, and the constant demand for space in Toronto. Public art. The One is also home to several pieces of public art, including sculptures and installations, that help make the building feel connected to the community. In conclusion, the One is a stunning addition to Toronto's skyline and represents the city's growth, innovation, and forward-thinking approach to development. From its unique design to its luxury living spaces, the One is more than just a tall building. It's a symbol of Toronto's future. If you're ever in Toronto, make sure to check out the One and experience its beauty for yourself. Whether you're visiting the shopping areas, enjoying the restaurants, or just admiring the views, the One is a place that captures the energy and excitement of Toronto. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning all about the One and what makes it such an important building in Toronto. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.